channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create a product ads from photos using the free Grok AI. So guys, first thing is there is no free Grok AI currently available. If you want to get free, you get the trial. So you just go here, claim this offer, but you need to add the adding your payment details here. Then you can continue, otherwise you are unable to continue. This is the first thing. But in this video I am show you how you create a good ad. For this guys, first of all you simply go to the option of imagine. Okay, after that guys, here you see the option of type to image, but here you select the video and here go and upload, and you upload your media. So guys, here you upload your product image for the reference. Okay, after that guys, press shift and press the option of add the rate. Now it shows your image name. Okay, now hit enter, so it's selected as the reference. Now what you do, so guys, on the LinkedIn there is a one page which is called 21 product short prompts for the high performance AI ads. Even you simply search on the Google that give me some prompts for ad shoots. Okay, now you simply go downward, and guys, here you see there are some prompts that you are using. Like the first one is clean studio pod shoots. So create a professional studio quality product shot on a clean background with soft lighting and realistic shadows and the sharp focus, and optimize for the ad. And here for the premium e-commerce look, so guys, you copy any of them which you find that your product is good for it. Then guys, here you enter your product name. After that, go here, then guys, paste it. Okay, now here you see that our image is also added, our prompt is also added. Now you select the video, then select the video resolution, after select the timing. Okay, after that you simply hit the enter and you get the video. Okay, and the output of the videos look like this. Okay, so this is the image, and if you want get some product video, so here are some when you move downward like this. Okay, so guys, this is the image and this is the complete video. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.